Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Omar. Today I am going to tell you about Syndicate app. This is a amazing web-based app where you can earn money from lots of ways. Your subscribers can make money with on Syndicate website through banner ads, AdSense, affiliate links, and your subscriber are going to able to build their list, and they get automatically going to get traffic using this app. So you can create content pages, even you will get some done for you content pages. You can edit, delete, or add your affiliate links. So this is the main sale page. You can see set forget system gets us 150 per dollar per day and 100% free autopilot traffic. Yeah, this is the entire page. You can see you will get money back guarantee as well. So I have some amazing bonuses for you guys if you buy from my link that is in the description. So let me show you my bonus page. Yes, here is the prices and upsells of these apps, and these are the some key benefits. That is all in one building list building passive income and traffic solution works in any niche. Done for you leads pages and done for you monetized website optimized for conversation, no expensive designers and copyrights needed. 100% pure profit system included hosting and traffic, means zero overhead cost, no content creation ever, love with premium content made by others, legal and ethically. Yeah, have fun while making money, customize your cash campaign to entertain, educate, or both. Fully automated one-time setup for non-stop leads commissions without any maintenance. Four-figure day training included, no email list or experience required. Yes, you can see you will get all these features. So this is my bonus number one that you will get when you buy from my link that is in the description. The first bonus is the high ticket mysteries, and this is my bonus number two. That is WordPress YouTube video post. This is my bonus number three. How to get better conversion. This is also our training course. My bonus number two. I have bonus number four. Sorry. That is Fugo breakout, and this is the bonus number five. These are the some other bonuses that you will get from the vendor. Let me show you these bonuses as well. So you will find these bonuses as well. No cost auto boot, that is another bonus for you. Our previous app we have created free bonus number two, bonus number three, a day in 3 days with Syndicate. Bonus number four, first sale in the next 15 minutes. Yes, you will get all these bonuses when you buy from my link that is in the description. So let me show you now the backend of this app.
Welcome to Syndicate. On this page, you're going to find all of the trainings in order to get Syndicate up and running, whether that is fresh campaigns or whether it is the done for you campaigns. In conjunction with this, you're going to find a whole host of additional trainings that will help you out in a variety of topics, as well as some resources that we think you're going to find super helpful. So let's get started with telling you exactly how the Syndicate system works. So what you'll find is that Syndicate allows us to create really cool websites, 2-page websites that are full of ridiculously good content. And we have a number of different ways to monetize these pages. So what you'll see is we have like a home page here that we can create and we can modify it with lots of really interesting little bits and pieces, okay? But essentially, this is the opt-in. This is how you will attract people into your site, into those monetizable elements, okay? And you'll see that we've got a button here which the user can opt in, okay? And then once they're on the inside, the page subtly changes. And as you can see here, there's a lot more going on, but it is very congruent with the opt-in page. It's not completely abstract, and we've done that by purpose to make people feel at ease. Now, once they opt in, obviously we're building that list. So we've got that, that's the first monetizational element to it. But also you can see we've got a top bar, which has, not only does it have a pull down video with an affiliate button, it also has this extra button here, which redirects to an additional affiliate link. Now, as we scroll down, we've got these 2 really cool buttons here that do 2 things. The first one pulls down that video again, so it's dragging people into that first program that we're trying to promote. And then secondary, we've got the secondary button that pulls in a kind of shop button on the shop section on the right hand side, where we can actually promote a variety of products. These can be changed, altered, however we want, okay, with a couple of really cool additional products. Likewise, you can see that we've got banner ads as well, which can be clicked out. And then at the bottom, what we've got here is we've got the content of whatever this specific website that we've created is about. This one is all about ClickBank, and you can see there's a variety of different videos that have different trainings there. But beneath the video, we have this secondary call to action, okay, which drives people through to another affiliate link, okay? So these websites are monetized in a number of different ways, and they work really, really well, and they've got super content, super high quality content. So on this page, beneath this video that you're watching, there's going to be this series of other videos that will show you how you can edit these pages to make sure that the monetization works seamlessly, and also how to create other sites using this system, how to bring in this high quality pre-existing content. So good luck. We'll see you in the next video.